Welcome. In front of me I have HTC Desire 20 Plus, and today I'll show you how you can activate Google Assistant on the smartphone. And first you have to go for the Play Store, tap on the search pool and type Assistant. We have to download the Google Assistant if you don't have it on your smartphone pre-installed, like in my case. Now we have to wait. So right now when it's finished, we have to simply go for Google app, click on More, move to the settings, find Google Assistant. Right now smoothly scroll down and find the general settings. As you can see right now, we have to tap on the switcher, click to turn on, and right now we can easily use our assistant. When you tap on it and open, you can make a phone call or just use the voice commands, open the keyboard, and that's it. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.